All right, roundabouts, dangerous for everybody. Orange stage automatically moving forward.
Stay on the road too late. This fall, which looked quite harmless, ended pretty badly after all.
Okay. Why were we going so wide? I think he was a learner. It looks painful. The grunting. Yeah, there it is. So it can land on your leg like that, and it can crush your tib fib or crush your ankle. Honestly, I'd rather get a tib fib break right in the center versus an ankle break. Hey, rescue another rider. Rescue another rider. All right, so he said it's like it's oily, and I think that's what this stuff is. Let's take a look at right before he fell. So what's all this? You know what I mean? Take a look at this. What's all that stuff? Is that oil? It could be oil. That discoloration in the road could be grease, oil, all that stuff. But here's what I don't understand is why he went so wide. Okay, so he's doing good head checks. He's going to get into the intersection pretty easily. We're in this lane right here. So we're already in the lane to continue moving forward. So we're moving. And he's checking here. Good. He's checking. Why aren't we staying in this lane? So this lane right here. Why aren't we here? Why did we go here? You see where the start of the discoloration starts? The start of the starts. This right here is where we should be in. I think he might have seen this right here and is like, you know what? Target fixated, going towards it now.
Ended pretty badly after all.
Why are we going so wide? Why did we go so wide right there? Because the direction we're going is towards this curb. I have a feeling that maybe he just went a little too wide, saw this discoloration, doesn't have the necessary skills for good counter steering, and then went into this. Because if we were going to continue on this path, look, we were going towards the curb. We weren't in a lane. We could have stayed in that lane over there on the right, over here, instead of having to get close to this discoloration. So watch out for those roadway hazards, everybody. You could have totally taken the way out earlier. I mean, just look at where the car is at. The car is nowhere near this oil or whatever it is. Could have stayed in that other lane.